Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am looking at, well, back over the last couple of years really, to show you a little bit of behind the scenes on my channel. You will see that things don't quite go the way you expect them to. Let's see how I go. It should be right. Right. Press it again. Hold on to the thing as you do it. Am I still, it's alright?
That's it.
And am I still in the screen?
Pardon?
Am I still?
Oh yes, perfect.
Perfect, right, okay. Flip the screen round so I can see it. Grand.
Perfect.
My head slightly, go slightly. You need to go up just slightly, because my head's slightly off. Up, push it down slightly. Gently, there, right, down a bit, up a bit rather, up a bit, up, there, it's fine, right, okay, we're in action, okay?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Eat These Words. Today I am going to be doing my Christmas pastry recipe. Lots of herbs here, isn't there? And I really don't like dealing with, I do occasionally do pastry, but I'm not a big fan, I've got to be honest. So if you don't have pastry, or if like me, you hate making pastry, I hate pastry, really with a passion. Trying to get it to work, oh my God. And then it cracks, and then it doesn't stick, oh God, no, I can't be bothered. I use these baking sheets from Lakeland. I use a lot of things from Lakeland because they are good. Considering they come in individual sheets, they are really good. Saves you having to faff on with cutting them to size and all kinds. Really takes out the enjoyment sometimes, doesn't it? I can see the steam coming out the back. Let's have a look. God. Ooh. Gosh, I hate making icing. Most cakes only take a few ingredients, thankfully. Your usual eggs, butter, sugar and flour, which it's handy to have in your store cupboard. I've just realised I need to change the battery. Do you know there are days you can roll it. I've just noticed my camera's rolling now. So to cook your bao buns, what you need to do is half fill a pan with water, warm water, which will help it cook a bit quicker. So in my bowl I've got what have I got? Oopsie. Cake or bun or. So my shortbread has been resting. My shortbread dough has been resting now for about an hour. What I'm going to do is, I've decided, you can do this several ways, making your cookies or biscuits. What you can roll it out as it is with a rolling pin and cut it out with a cookie cutter. Start again, do that again. So in my bowl I have my usual scone mixture. I've got 10 ounces of flour, half teaspoon of not bicarb, 10 ounces of flour, self-raising flour. Start again. I really am lazy that way. Sorry, efficient. But in my instance, I'm going to food process. I can't get my words out. I don't know what those are called. Whiskey bits. We'll call them whiskey bits. What do you call it? Not extend, the opposite of extend. What's the opposite of extend? It'll reduce the light. The reason I'm adding buttermilk is because cocoa powder is notoriously dry. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of buttermilk into the equation, just to give it a bit of, it'll help the baking powder to react and make it even more fluffier than what it should be. You will see, just wait and see. The acid in the buttermilk gives it a lovely lift. Everything has to be cold with pastry when you're making pastry because you get a better result if all the items are cold. That's why. Can't do and talk, what is the problem? Never used this the other way around, do you know that? Come on, how do I get that off? Why aren't you coming off? That must be off.
One eternity later.
And we're gonna mix that in. When I switch it on, good preheated oven. Let it warm up for about 20 minutes. Oh, for heaven's sake. When will I learn to switch my beaters on? I use a food processor simply because it's quicker. So hopefully, yes, I've got it switched on, amazing. So making sure it's switched on because I never do. What we're going to do is take it off the stand mixer and that's a nice one for the outtakes, isn't it? Okay. Have I made a mess? Sorry. Typical laser. I hit the button, yeah. Okay. Oops. Oh, I'm getting taken over. To hopefully settle this down a little bit because icing sugar, as we know, goes everywhere. So I'm going to turn it on to its lowest setting and hope it doesn't make a mess. And it did. So excuse me 1 minute while I clean up my mess for starters. Oh, why does life hit me like this? And pop it round so it doesn't make a mess. Let's see how we get on with this. I have to say you need about 6 pairs of hands for this job, but it's worth it in the end. Ooh, the wind's catching me today. Is we spray a little bit of oil on. Now this is to stop it sticking. Give it a roll. So this has been up to 50. It's going down to 49, 48, 47. It's going down now. That was because it was out the blooming thing. Right. To take. There we go. And we're going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Go to that horrible snotty bit. Don't like that anyway. Come on, here you come. Ugh. Why do them bits always take forever to come off? Ugh. Go away. There we go. So that was good, wasn't it? Not having a good day to dish it. Nearly. Pop a little bit in each chocolate if I can. Something caught. Oh, it's too small on the end. Bear with. Let's see if the end's good, isn't it? Right. So, most of all my recipes. Whoopsie. Okay, so this is
garden.
So we'll knock it off, and what we're going to do, no, not yours, me. Nearly. Going very well. I'm struggling with the wind through. Round and round we go. Where is she stuck? Nobody knows. Yes, no, yes, I know this is a tea strainer, but it'll do the job for me. But I'm just going to do it in small amounts. Why? Because my large sieve is in the washing machine. This is the only one I've got free at the moment. So have to make do. This is hard. Sorry, it's harder than I thought it was gonna be. We need a pinch of salt, which I haven't got. Then it's time to get rid of your electric whisk. If you're doing it by hand, then you're okay. So, okay. A little bit. Is that tipped? I think it has, you know. Oh. So, okay. There we go. I don't think this is doing very well. It keeps dropping. Okay, I think that's the vibration, that, yeah, it's the vibration that's doing that. Okay, please tell me we're on. Oh no, I don't think it was on. Do I have to do that again? Oh well, I'm going to be doing it again. Let's clean up, do it again. Cut! Knock it off.
Knock it.
Thanks for watching this week. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, then feel free to subscribe. Just hit the notifications below. It says subscribe and then there's a notification bell that you need to pop. Doesn't cost anything. All you need is a Google account. Anyway, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you very much.